Manual loading of powder sachets onto the curved and feed conveyor. The conveyor smoothly transports the sachets to the automatic stacking system. Sachets are neatly aligned and grouped in compartments according to the target box count. The machine automatically erects paper cartons along the packaging track. The push rod inserts the grouped sachets into the carton, followed by automatic flap folding and sealing. Fully packaged boxes are smoothly discharged for final quality inspection.